Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add a timer that covers the whole meeting in Zoom. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account and then join a meeting. So now you are in the meeting. So now what you have to do is you need to go to all the way down. You're having these many options. Go to apps, and over here go to my apps, and then over here you'll be having a timer option. Just press over here, and then you can start the timer from here. So or you can have a stopwatch as well, you can have a timer as well. So then just start and the timer will be started like this. So you can add timer like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.